Nobody asked why it was abandoned. Nobody looked back. Years passed, seasons passed, and the villa stayed there, alone, silently waiting. Its walls began to speak over time. The cracks grew. The garden surrendered to nature. Then one morning the vehicles arrived. The doors opened. People got out. Nobody said anything, they just looked. They looked at the villa. Then someone bent down and started. Brushes worked. Tools worked. And that sound, that working sound that hadn't been heard for so long, worked its way into the walls of the villa. The first day was exterior cleaning. Everything that had accumulated over the years, layer by layer, patiently, one by one, it all went. With every scraped surface, something different appeared underneath. Sometimes old paint, sometimes bare concrete, sometimes a bolt someone had put in with their own hands decades ago. We saw it all, and we kept going, because stopping wasn't an option. If we stopped, it would never be finished. Let me ask you something. A hot summer evening. The sun is going down. The air is still warm but no longer scorching. And there is a pool in front of you. You are just sitting there, your feet dangling in the water, doing nothing, just looking. People give everything they have for that feeling. This pool had left that feeling behind decades ago. It was bone dry. The base had cracked. Soil had filled up inside. But its shape was still there. And if the shape is there, everything comes back. We brought that feeling back. The first step tells you everything. When you enter a home, the body feels something, before seeing any room, before touching anything. Just in that first step, that feeling either pulls you inside or pushes you out. The stairs are calling upward. The steps carry you forward. You go up without realizing it. You keep going without realizing it. This is what the entrance and stairs were designed for. What is it that turns a house into a home? Not the walls,
mark that area
not
clear.
the ceiling,
We'll tackle the cabinets
not
next.
the floor. The smell of morning coffee, the sound of dinner being made, the refrigerator light at midnight. All of these come from the kitchen. Without a kitchen, a house is just a building. This kitchen is no longer just a building. It became the heart of a home. And when hearts beat, everything changes. stop for a second.
Take a look at
Evening.
these marks on the
Everyone
rug.
is home. Someone is
documenting it
reading a
now.
book. Someone is watching something. Someone is just sitting there doing nothing. There is noise outside, but inside there is silence. Inside there is warmth. Inside there is that feeling, the feeling of belonging home. The living room exists for this, for nothing else, just for this. The first 5 seconds of the morning. Eyes not yet open. The mind still halfway between sleep and reality. And what you see in that moment, that first image, determines that day. A day that begins with a bad image ends differently. A day that begins with a beautiful image ends differently. Those 5 seconds repeat every morning, every day, for a lifetime. This room was designed for those 5 seconds. Nobody talks about the bathroom.
Take a look at the base
But everyone
right here.
starts every morning with the
Yeah,
bathroom.
the whole stall is
Everyone
compromised.
ends every evening with the bathroom. Between those two moments, there is an entire life. And however those two moments make you feel, everything else takes shape accordingly. Someone who enters this bathroom every morning has already won their day before it has even begun.
Check this row
Every
right here.
home has a secret.
Got
The
it.
basement is
Looks
that
like old
secret.
stock.
Nobody sees it.
Check these
Nobody
over here.
asks about
Okay,
it.
noted.
But if the basement is not done right, everything above it silently deteriorates over time, without anyone noticing. Slowly, we thought of this basement not as the last thing, but as the foundation. Because without a solid foundation, nothing lasts. Nothing.
We need these aligned symmetrically. Move the red car next to the blue one.
Got it. Putting it right here.
I stopped. Morning sunlight was hitting the villa. The garden was breathing. The pool was full. The sky was reflecting inside its blue. Light was seeping through the door. And I noticed something. This villa had not changed. It had simply returned to itself. This is what it always was. It was just waiting for someone to come, for someone to listen, for someone to begin. That morning, the vehicles arrived. People got out. Nobody said anything. They just started. And the villa, for the first time in decades, breathed again. We saw a ruin, but we saw an unfinished story. We saw cracks, but we saw an honest surface. We saw darkness, but we saw a space waiting to be filled. And we began. This was a design concept. Nothing you saw was real. But that feeling, in the morning sunlight, beside the pool, in the silence of a clean villa, standing before those rooms waiting to be lived in, was always real. It will always be real. Which room in this villa would be yours? Tell me below. If this video pulled you in, there is a playlist on your screen. None of them look like this one.